channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I'm super excited about this collaboration that I'm doing with Rose from RoseM Creations. We're doing geodes, as you can kind of see by here. But our colors are going to be blue, white, and gold. So we can use a couple shades of blue and white and whatever, gold. So the colors that I am going to use, so I have down some mirrored glass. I have like one with a little bit of gold on it and then some blue mirrored glass that I get from Barbecue Boys. And I'm using my eye candy pigments. I'm using Zeron, and I don't know if I'm saying it right, gold. It's a beautiful, beautiful gold. This one is Galactic Ghost Blue. And it's just like a yummy, yummy, shimmery white color with like some blue iridescent to it. I'm using Angel Blue from Eye Candy as well. And it's a beautiful blue color too. And then I'm also using Eye Candy's Perusian Purple, which I know it's purple, but it's actually, to me, it looks blue. It's just like a real deep blue, but it may have a little bit of a purplish to it, but it's really more blue than it is purple in my eyes. And I've used this before, and I feel like it still has a little bit more of a blue tint to it. So I have my glass down, and I did just drizzle some resin over the top, and I'm using KS Resin. I am affiliated with both the Eye Candy and KS Resin, so if you're looking for some resin, there's a discount code in my description. If you're looking for some beautiful, beautiful pigments, Eye Candy has so many to choose from. I'll show you a couple that I got. This one here is their blues, and it's kind of more colors that I ordered, for using for my beach pours. Just a lot of different blues there. Let's see what else I got. I got some neon ones, which I'm super excited about. This one here is the black, brown, and grays. So it comes with a variety of different colors for that. And then I got a pack with the neon colors. Or actually, I'm sorry, these are the glow-in-the-dark ones. And I'll just look at those, how pretty they are. I'm excited to use these. So yeah, but like I said, if you're looking for some pigments, I love Eye Candy pigments. I'm really happy with all of them, and I have quite a few of their pigments, and their pastes are just amazing. So if you're looking for something, I'll have a link in the description for both of them. Check them out. They have some good deals going on for the sample. These are considered their sample sizes. So they have different sample packs where you can get, you can choose by the color. You can get a variety of colors in a pack. So there's a lot to choose from. Some, I think, from 10 to 30 packs of different ones. So yeah. And then you can just order just the pastes themselves. This is the blue that I got. Really deep, beautiful blue. I'm not using this one today. I was thinking about it, but I chose not to. And yeah. So let's get started here. So I think that I'm going to start off with the Ghost Shimmer. And if you can see that, it's beautiful. do the second layer here. And I'm going to do something a little different because I'm not really feeling this gold through here. So I'm going to add another layer, and I'm going to do the white still like I have, and I'm going to do two different blues, and I'm going to do one that's a little bit darker. No, I don't know how you pronounce it. Noki. Nokon blue. This is another eye candy pigment, and it's beautiful deep blue. I like to use this one for my beach pours. And then I'm also using the I'm going to use this blue too. This is the Peruvian purple, the one that, see how it still looks blue. And so I'm going to use them instead. Oh no, I'm just not liking this gold in there. I'm still going to do like gold glitter lines, but for the most part I'm not liking that. So we're basically going to do this whole layer over again. So I'm going to start off with my white. So we're back to do our lines. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to do some gold around my mirrored glass. So I have a gold glitter mixed up that I'm going to use. I have one that's kind of white and has some just iridescent colors in there. And then I have a blue one mixed up. But I'm going to paint this, and I used Liquid Leaf. This is classic gold. I got this, I believe, from either Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or a Walmart, one of the three. To do the top layer. I do thank everybody for joining us today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't checked out Rose's video, please do. I'll have a link in my description that'll take you to her channel. She's an amazing artist. She's an awesome friend of mine as well, so very, very talented lady, so please go and check her out. All right, so I'm just gonna put some down here. And then I'm just gonna kind of drizzle some up here so I can put down a little bit more glitter. In my eyes, you can never have enough. I'm sure sometimes people are probably telling me to stop, but all right. So beautiful. I'm really, really happy with this piece. You guys have to tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you will like and subscribe and share. Please go and check out Rose. There's a link in the description to take you right to her channel. And I do appreciate it, everybody watching. And I hope you guys will come back. And thanks again, Rose, for doing this collaboration. I know you kind of came out of your comfort zone with this piece, but I'm excited that you did this one with me. So everybody go and check Rose out. And I do thank you guys for joining us. I hope everybody is healthy and safe and just healthy in general. Have a good day. Have a good evening. And keep being creative. Bye.